Hey, Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. We have a 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner. Nice looking two-door hardtop here. Now, this particular car was originally an Aztec gold car with the white transverse stripes on it, so that's still looking the same way it would have when it came from the factory. Now, as you can see, riding on Krager SS chrome wheels, give that classic 70s look. Underneath the hood on this one, that's where things are a little different. This would have came originally with 318. Now it does have a 408 stroker in it, 360 built motor, and there is receipts to the tune of about $11,000 when this thing was refreshened approximately a year ago. Has less than 1,000 miles on it. It also has the original transmission in it, which is a 904 column shift automatic transmission that was also built and gone through at the same time the engine was done. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, the inside of the car, as far as interior pics, underside pics go. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. Chrome and bright work in the front. Nice shape. Is it perfect? No, there's a couple little kind of dingers in the chrome, but nothing major. A couple little spots where you can see some previous work and the body's coming through down below, and I'll kind of show you that on each side when I walk by. But you can see the car straight, has a nice look to it, sounds great. Car runs really well. We'll start it up here in a little bit so you can hear it, and this one will definitely turn some heads with its sound and its looks. There's two little spots, one kind of down here, just a little bit of previous work, you can kind of see it, and on the other side I'll point it out, it's a little more noticeable on the other side. Vinyl bench seat, like I said, column shift. Dash, interior, also nice shape. Headliner's good. A little aftermarket pot of gauges down there. We'll check that out when we get around to the driver's side and start this baby up. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome is in nice shape on the rear of it. See the reflection there. Also reflection in the paint of the roof. And the lights sign off the wall behind us. So paint does have a nice luster to it. 391 rear end Sure Grip. Riding in the back here. Car came to us from Arizona, FYI. The chrome mirrors you see on it would have been an option. One other spot right down here when I was talking about where you can see a little previous body work right here. Other than that, again, car seems pretty darn straight, paint in nice shape. Now, as far as equipment underneath the hood, power steering, AC blows cold, aluminum radiator underneath there. It does have a serpentine belt system, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads. And let's fire this up so you can hear it run. Then we're going to check out that engine bay a second, but see the vinyl in nice shape, not full of rips, tears. Alright, and this car fires instantly when you turn the key. Nice idle to it. And again, AC car, AC blows cold. The aftermarket stereo was added nicely to the original position of the stereo. Here's your gauges with the tack. Tack and gauges all work. See the dash isn't cracked or faded. Alright, it's never warmed up a little bit here. Listen to that. Very healthy sounding engine. And again, 408 stroke from a 360. Receipts when it was just refreshened less than 1,000 miles ago. Right in the $11,000 range. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Right. go. Your serpentine belt system, you can see it. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Polycarb Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads, power steering, optical pattern there. Nice clean, neat engine bay. There you go. You're looking for a nice 1974 Roadrunner you can have some fun with, got some horsepower. Here it is. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you check out the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.